Look, we got your presents.
I'm so excited.
Look, baby.
Physically liquid instead of excitement.
Saturn and Jupiter.
Air in my mouth.
Cool.
Oh my God!
Is this a card table?
Oh.
3, 2, 1. Happy New Year!
Jumping.
Oh yeah.
So even if you can't see heart rate, it's moving. So.
Oh my gosh.
Hi.
Look, we got your presents.
Put your shoes over here.
Aww. You always give me wind sounds.
I hope your hand fits in there.
They're too pretty to wear around the chicken coop, though.
Oh, well, you can do whatever with them, Mom. I don't know. I wanted them to be pretty, because why not have them be pretty?
Oh,
That's what happened.
Does that fit
I'm
good?
gonna be warm tonight.
Yeah, it looks
just like
good.
this.
And we got a zip, so you don't have to pull it over your head.
Oh my God, where'd you find a zip one?
Farm and home.
I'm so excited.
Good!
Like I'm so excited to like almost go outside tomorrow.
Look, baby. Isn't that cool? Yeah, just don't touch it, okay? Don't touch that. Don't touch that, okay?
Look, it's a ring.
I know. I don't think we're supposed to be this close, but whatever. That's cool.
I think I've already showed that I can't quite sit here and sing it, so I'm sure. So much better off. I can't brought to life a lot of ideas that I had at a certain or working a typography or like yes. Oh, everything sounds beautiful when it's said with excitement and hope, but doing that isn't difficult. This myself. Like I'm not sitting here saying that painting is easy, but I'm saying like what I want is like quite literally just a mess of colors. I just want to
Earth is in the sky.
Come here. That's Saturn and Jupiter.
Is Anakin and Grandpa on Earth?
Yes, we're all on Earth, silly.
I thought.
Every living thing is on Earth. okay? Why am I scary?
You made a shadow.
What?
You're a shadow.
I'm a shadow.
Go swinging.
Oh my God.
I'm getting air in my mouth.
Close your mouth then.
I want to get air in my mouth. That's how I get energy.
Maybe you're present, but I had to help you.
Kind of a gag gift. Oh, okay. Oh, God. Thank you.
So those project onto the wall.
Oh my gosh! Look at that.
Thank you very much. Sid Luckman, murder and robbery, and the rise of the modern NFL. Black on.
Sweet. Take this show and checkers. Christmas story themed. Oh my gosh. The Chia Pet, man. Heck yeah. I'm transferred back to the 90s.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Just grab it.
What is it?
Ooh.
Ooh! You got a paint and stuff! Cool! Why dancing?
Oh my God.
Whoa! Hey, open this one now! Let's open it together!
Oh, yeah.
That's what I was going to say.
Snow globe.
Aww! Look! A record player! Wow!
Oh my gosh. This
Yeah,
is
it's music
happening
from all the.
tonight.
all-
I love it. Thank you guys.
You're welcome.
Yeah, pretty cool, huh?
This is from your Uncle JR.
It's a great drawing pad. Isn't that cool? Turn around here and tell them thank you.
Thank you!
There it is.
Look at that.
Okay, what's it gonna be?
It's Captain Crunch. Lucky Charms.
Lucky Charms.
Do you want to go see if he came?
Oh my God!
That was not it. Stocking.
Oh yeah, they're full of stuff. Sorry, I got You got
Your turn. A record!
camper. Isn't that cool?
And you got all of them there. And they got a campfire.
And a shower. Mrs. Rabbit's in.
Mrs. Rabbit's in the shower. Is this a card table?
Oh.
I can tell just by feeling it. Oh, yeah.
Mama has a table to do her puzzles on now.
Only because Daddy doesn't want me doing them on the table anymore. Oh, you got me like a professional easel?
Yeah, a real one. A swing set.
It's in boxes right now. We have to build it. You got a random little tree in here? Where's this supposed to go? I'm confused. Yeah, I had, like, my cycles were longer. No, I'm a stay-at-home mom. No. No. I had chicken pox when I was little. Tomorrow at 11.
Should old acquaintance be forgot and never brought to mind? Should old acquaintance be forgot and days of old